Welcome to part 26 of the 1000 Verb Challenge. Let's get started. Assume. Assume. I assume the treasure is hidden under the big tree. Operate. Operate. We learned how to operate the toy car by using the remote. Arrange. Arrange. Let's arrange the blocks in a tall tower. Resolve. Resolve. They worked together to resolve the mystery and found the missing toy. Transfer. Transfer. We can transfer the water into the big bucket to fill it up. Expose. Expose. We dug in the sand to expose the seashells hidden underneath. Secure. Secure. Let's secure the tent so it doesn't blow away in the wind. Review. Review. We review the drawings to pick the best one for the contest. Establish. Establish. We want to establish a special club where we share our toys. Assist. Assist. I will assist my friend in carrying their books to class. That's it for today's 10 verbs. Keep practicing, and make sure to subscribe for more in our 1000 Verb Challenge. See you in the next video.